Sawadee krab and Sabadi Minecraft. Welcome to another episode of the Boxing King, where we will unbox all the tech gadgets for you. So let's see what we have today. Today I'm having the Xiaomi Note 10. So before going into this phone, let's cue to the intro. Welcome back, and now let's unbox it. So before we unbox it, we can see that this time Xiaomi uses different approach and design onto the box itself, which uses a black cardboard and also a reflective word of Note 10, which makes it looks premium. Okay, stop talking about the box. Now let's open it up. So once you open, the phone is on the surface where you can see the phone first. This is the Xiaomi Note 10. And let's check it out what's inside the box. As usual, box of menus and SIM pin tool, and also a jelly case cover, which is a transparent jelly case. And there's the 30-watt flash charge adapter and also the USB-C cable. And that's all from box. Kata pi. And now, let's unwrap the Xiaomi Note 10 and turn the phone on. So kawan-kawan, today I'm gonna tell you 3 standout points that this Xiaomi Note 10 got. Number 1, this Xiaomi Note 10 has a super duper huge 5260 mAh battery capacity, which is 20% more larger than most of the smartphone battery capacity out there. And also, Xiaomi claimed that this battery capacity can last 2 days of power usage. Number 2, this Xiaomi Note 10 comes with 5 camera setup. Yes, you heard me right. 5 camera setup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camera setup. Wait, why I'm speaking Thai again? Okay, come back. So yes, this phone comes with a penta camera setup. And the third point that I want to tell you that is more crazy, more cheesy one is one of the 5 camera is a 108 megapixel lens. Isn't it crazy? That means even the tiniest, smallest pimple that hiding inside my eyebrow also can see now. Oh no. Ma, 我要做 facial 咗. So, aside from the 108 megapixel main camera, it also comes with a 2 megapixel telephoto lens with 2 times optical zoom, 5 megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, and also 20 megapixel ultra wide camera lens, and lastly, a 2 megapixel macro lens. So, siap tengok belakang, now pusing ke depan. Oops! Too excited because of this phone, sorry. So now really pusing depan untuk phone ni. So in front we have the 32 megapixel selfie camera and also a 6.4-inch 3D curved glass AMOLED display, and not to forget the whole body is sculpted with 3D glass as well. But if you're like me, you get annoyed with the fingerprint on it because it's a glass surface. So since we talk about camera, you surely want to know about the camera quality, right? But this time I'll leave it to the last. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 730G chipset with 6GB RAM and 128GB. Lastly, let's talk about price. The price of this phone starts from 2,099 ringgit. So overall, I think this smartphone is really a good deal, especially on the mid-range category, because it comes with a 108 megapixel camera lens. And for those of you who like to do photography on phone, to do vlogs on phone, this phone is totally specially made for you. With its price and the camera specs that it offers, I think it's really a good phone. So now, let's see what the director have for me on today's challenge. So director, what's the challenge?
Here's the quest.
So it's a quest today, not a challenge. Ooh, so the quest is about the Xiaomi camera quality, which I tell you that I'll leave it to the last. Quit talking and I'll end my video here. Hope you like the Boxing King, and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest video updates. I'm Boxing J. See you next time. Don't go away yet, because here you go. So, we went to Mid Valley to capture the Christmas vibe through the vlog feature in the camera app itself. Check out this picture quality, which is cropped out of a 108 megapixel picture. And that's it guys. Wishing everybody a Merry Christmas.